AT&T offers home internet through both fiber and DSL, but in 2025, is it actually worth it? Let's break down what you're getting in terms of speed, reliability, pricing, and how it stacks up against the competition. First, know what kind of AT&T internet you're being offered. If it's AT&T Fiber, you're in luck. Fiber offers symmetrical speeds, meaning your upload and download speeds are the same, which is great for streaming, gaming, video calls, or uploading large files. If you're getting AT&T internet, sometimes called IPBB, it's a mix of DSL and older tech. Speeds there can be varying widely from under 10 Mbps up to 100 Mbps, and it's less consistent. Bottom line, AT&T Fiber is one of the best internet options in the US right now. DSL, not so much. Now, fiber plans range from 300 megabits per second up to 5 gigs in select areas, and they deliver. The connection is stable, the latency is low, and AT&T ranks highly for customer satisfaction when it comes to fiber. DSL plans, on the other hand, are much slower and more prone to interruptions, especially if you're far from a network hub. If you're stuck with DSL, you're probably not getting the best value. Now, AT&T's fiber plans start competitively, and I want to show you those. So, they begin around $55 to $80 per month for most people with no annual contracts, no data caps, and equipment included. That's a major plus. Now, DSL plans might seem cheaper upfront, but the value drops fast once you factor in lower speeds and potential coverage fees if you go over the data cap. Installation is generally smooth for fiber customers with professional setup included. Support is a little hit or miss depending on the region, but AT&T has improved over the years in terms of service response time and mobile app functionality. Now, here's the important question. Compared to other providers in 2025, AT&T Fiber competes directly with Verizon Fios and Google Fiber, and in most areas, it's just as fast and often cheaper. Cable providers like Xfinity or Spectrum might offer similar speeds, but with data caps or variable pricing. And if you're being offered DSL, though, it's probably time to look at fixed wireless, 5G home internet, or even satellite as better options. So, is AT&T Home Internet worth it in 2025? I'd say yes if it's fiber, it's fast, reliable, and competitively priced. And no if it's DSL. The speeds and value just don't hold up in today's internet landscape. Check what's available at your address before you decide, because with AT&T, the difference between fiber and DSL is everything. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.